Welcome. Today, Economics Question Paper 2026 SS first year annual examination. Now the question paper, full mark 80, pass mark 27, time 3 hours, and project and viva 20 mark. Now the question 1 to 40, 1 to 40 mark MCQ, and this 40 mark MCQ is all the answer. Now all the answer MCQ part A, mark 40, 1 into 40 mark. Question number 1, the value of next 1C. Question number 2, B, A, C, D নহয়. Question number 3, interference curve is normally convex to origin. 3, B. 4, other thing remain. 4B, 5, A, 0, 6, A. The equation of budget constant is A. Question number 7, B. Question number 8, C. Question number 9, according to law of variable proportion. Question number 9, B, maximum. Question number 10, T, C or Q, the average cost. Question number 11, B, primary data. Question number 12, B, census survey. Question number 13, 65.5 A, 13 A, 14 B. Now 15 B, 16 D, A, B, C নহয়, D 7, 17 B negative, 18 base year B, 19 C decreases by 5, কিছুমান increases by 5 থাকিব পাৰে. Question number 20 C P. Question number 21 B. Question number 22, choose the definition economy from the option given below. C. Question number 22, what is the concept utility in economics? Question number 23, D. Question number 24, B, at least one input is fixed. Question number 25, under normal condition law of supply says D, a price increases, supply also increases. Question number 26, B, MC, marginal costing. Question number 27, A, excess demand. Question number 28, 28D, 29B, price will fall. Question number 30, statistical analysis, data collection. 30C. Question number 31D, 32D, all the above. 33, organizing. C. 34A, 35B, secondary. 36, which of the following is a type of variable? Both. C. Question number 37, what does a stacker diagram be? Relationship between two variables. Question number 38, D. Question number 39, B. Question number 40, B, complementary goods. Question number 40 এইটো আছিলে B, ইয়ালৈকে আছিল MCQ. Now question part B, 40 mark. Now this one, production possibility frontier 2 mark or তারপরে 2 number 2 mark. Question number 4, marriage of graphical representative of data. Question number 5, তাৰপিছত question number 6, write to central problem of an economy. Try calculate the index number of and the precaution are need selecting base year. Question number 42, any 4 into 4 16 marks 4 mark or eta question define law of supply explain graphical why supply curve flow upward to coefficient price elasticity demand for a commodity Tabio was rupees 50 and quantity demanded 40 unit now it was a question 42 question number 2 3 who explain the important statistics in economics 42 4 what do you mean by measure central tendency right features of central tendency? Calculate the 5 calculate the total fixed cost and total average cost from this information to it दिया है Type question number 43 what is price elasticity of demand what are the various type explain the type briefly তাৰপিছত আছে what is indifferent curve what are its feature explain briefly তাৰপিছত 44 আছিলে calculate mood from the following data এইটো আছিলে mood calculation কৰিব দিছে data then last question of economics 2025 HS first year annual examination into final examination or promotion examination 2026 এটো আছিলে question paper MCQ HS first year thank you